Hello, Fernanda, how are you? Okay, Fernanda, I'm fine, thanks. How about you? Fernanda, I have bad news for you. Now I cannot give you the exam because we don't have time. Because it has different schedules. So, for example, at 3:45, I receive another group. And I am supposed to talk to every student for 10 minutes. So you have to be really punctual because this is the time it is. Try to contact another group. I will write to tutor Liliana and, well, I don't know. Why did you get late? Ok, preciosa. ¿Por qué llegaste tarde? Bueno, uh, so you have to explain that to Liliana and try to subscribe to another group because now I cannot. Well, I don't have time to give you the interview. Talk to Liliana and explain to her. Tell her that you had problems with the internet because the other girl, Jeanette, also had problems. So contact Liliana right now or Giselle, whoever, but contact them right now. Yes? Okay, bye, Preciosa. Take care. Okay, thank you. Can I see your face and your ID card? No. No yet. Okay, now I can see you. Your ID card, please. Okay, let me see it better. No, it is kind of blurred. Can you please put it in front of the webcam? Okay. Students, can you see my screen? Yes, can you read what is in my screen? Okay, students, I'm going to ask you some questions. We have 3 minutes to talk about them. 1 minute, 0.5 per person. Let's begin with Maritza. Okay, Maritza, do you have any hobbies or interests? Okay, Victor, where are you from, Victor? Okay, Maritza, what sort of, I'm sorry, do you think you spend too much time studying or working? Victor, how important is it to you to spend time with your family? Okay, thank you very much. Now, can you see the pictures I'm showing? Okay, good. Maritza, why do you think it is important to help people? Okay, chicos, I'm sorry. I need to specify that you have 2 minutes to talk. Every person is going to talk for 2 minutes, and you have 30 seconds to prepare your answer. So, Maritza, in this moment, let's... About the pictures, you have 30 seconds to think of your answer. Why do you think it is important to help people? You have 30 seconds. You have 30 seconds to prepare your answer. Yes, now. Yes, yes. Okay, Maritza, now you can begin talking. Okay, thank you. Victor, how do you think these people might be feeling when they help others? How might these people be feeling when they are helping others? So I'm talking about the paramedics or the person that is giving directions. How might they be feeling about helping others? Yes, you have 30 seconds. Okay, Victor. Time is up. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we are going to move to our following and final exercise. Okay, you two are going to have the chance to discuss about these questions. We have 3 minutes. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of each aspect of modern life? Computers and mobile cell phones, ready meals, cars, electricity, or medicine. So, both have to give your point of view and discuss about this topic. Go ahead. Yes, of course. Thank you. Okay, please, Maritza, continue.